Soft Grid. Formerly, it's like before it was its name was Softricity Soft Grid. Then later it was name was Application Virtualization. It is an application virtualization and application streaming solution from Microsoft. It is a seamless experience, isolation, streaming, centrally managed, ease of packaging and deployment. So it does not interact with other application or OS present in the system. So first of all, this is a virtual application. It is not going to install physically in our system. Physically in our system means that when we are going to install our exe or msi application, it gets installed in our system, like either in the c program files, c program files 86, c program data, like that it get installed. But AppV is in a virtual environment. It would not be getting installed in your system, rather it will be in a virtual environment. It's just that we get it gets streamed to our system. So we add our user id, like whatever the short user id or device id is there. With that we create a deployment and we add it, and from there it gets streamed to our app machine. You would be able to see the shortcut, and with the shortcut you would be able to use the application. If I give an example, it's the same like a YouTube video. You cannot download the YouTube video, you can just see it when you have a bandwidth, when your connectivity is there. Same way, for an AppV application, you should have a bandwidth. If you do not have a network on, or you do not have a bandwidth, then you would not be able to use. So this is one of the disadvantage, that we should have a bandwidth. If your server is completely off, you would not be able to use the AppV application. But there is an advantage, that it is not going to take a space in your system. This means that nothing extra data is going to come. With respect to security also, it is good, because we install many applications. Even if you are going to uninstall those applications, the data will be there. Some or the other data, like when we have a new machine and when we have used a machine for 2 years or 3 years, obviously there will be many data, right? It will
Yes.
be keep on filling the space, due to which your machine will also behaving little slow. It will start behaving little slow, but this is not the case with AppV. So that is the reason previously we used to do the AppV application, but yes, now if it is going to get decommissioned, obviously we will not be able to use it. The other thing is, many vendor does not support AppV application. exe and msi, they still support it, though it is a Microsoft technology, but still many vendor are not going to support this AppV application. If you're going to get an issue, so it sometimes happens, then when we are going to create a package, we find many issues, so we contact a do provide us a support. But in case of AppV, they do not provide us support, other vendors do not provide us support. Microsoft will still provide it, because the AppV is only a technology of Microsoft. So Microsoft related applications does provide us support, but other than that, other vendors do not provide it. So this is also one of the disadvantage of using an AppV application.
So to be into app, we this virtual environment. So should that application to be packaged, or
Yes,
we can do the
see how
raw?
it is. Like we convert exe to MSI, na?
Uh,
Same way we convert .exe to .appv, or we convert .msi to .appv. It is the same process we follow. First snapshot, install the application. Second snapshot, same thing is like repackager we do it. Same thing is our application. Here we are going to do sequencing, only the term it is going to change. It is the same capture process. First we are going to take a